trim on. This is a leg. And to trim the angle on the bottom. And to fix the top so that we have a nailing. And we have something to help shed moisture.
Okay.
So we stick it right here.
So this covers up the wood on the window frame, right?
Tucks in behind the J channel.
Nice.
Gets in the groove right here.
Yeah.
This groove.
And this means you never have to paint it too, right?
That's right. Putting your nail right here.
So you do this all the way around after you've put the whole, you just put sashes in, right? I mean, you just put the sash in there.
Yeah, we're an integrated frame system. It's an integrated frame system because all the mechanics are new.
Okay. All right.
I'm going to have to turn around, put my back to the camera.
Okay, no problem.
I'll come this way. Emilio, how high up are we? About right here?
Yeah.
And I'm putting one here and just secure the bottom end.
Okay.
There's a little bit of a gap. Use this end of the hammer, which is the part of the hammer that most people don't realize is the most useful. This end right here to gently nudge. This end to persuade, and this end to ask forgiveness.
Okay. That's great.
So now we're going on the other side.
So I'll play the dummy here. What do you call this? What is this? Is this?
This is capping.
It's capping.
Okay. So from memory, I know this is where I need to be cut. And, since apparently there are as many ways to build a house as there are carpenters walking the street, this angle can be anything. So let's see how close are we.
So cool.
Amazing.
It ends up looking really good too.